you've been eating clean, working out, and trying so hard, but the scale is just not moving. Sound familiar? Let's talk about why that's happening and what to do about it. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's Elizabeth. I help women build strength, confidence, and results that actually last. If you have been feeling stuck, doing everything right, but just not seeing progress, this video is for you. I'm breaking down the real reasons why women get stuck, how to fix it, and how to stay patient while your body catches up to your effort. So here's the truth. Progress is not always going to show up on the scale first. When you start lifting, eating better, or sleeping more, your body is actually making internal changes long before you see visible ones. You're building muscle, you're improving recovery, you're balancing hormones, and you're increasing your metabolism. These shifts are huge, but they don't happen overnight. Your body actually needs time to adjust. So please do not measure your progress only by the scale. Look at energy, strength, sleep, and how your clothes fit. Those are gonna tell the real story. I know that it sounds counterintuitive, but if you're not eating enough, your body is going to go into survival mode. Your metabolism is going to slow down, you're gonna hold on to fat, and you're gonna lose muscle instead. So if you have been stuck at the same weight for months, check your calories. Fuel your body properly. You can't expect results if you're running on fumes. I always say you can't build a strong body with weak nutrition. Most women underestimate how long real transformation takes. You didn't build your current habits in 4 weeks, right? So you won't reverse them in 4 weeks either. Fat loss and muscle gain takes months of consistency. So whenever you do feel frustrated, ask yourself, would I keep doing this if I knew it would work in 6 months? That question helps reframe your timeline and keeps you grounded in the process, not just the outcome. The scale is only one metric, not the metric. So start tracking. Track your measurements. That would be your waist, your hips, your thighs. Take progress photos. Measure your strength. How much are you lifting? And also measure your energy levels. Whenever you start seeing those numbers improve, it keeps motivation alive, even if the scale is slow to catch up. Here's another truth. Your body will always follow your mindset. If you show up from a place of frustration, you'll definitely burn out. But if you show up from a place of belief and patience, you'll win every single time. And you are not failing. You're just learning your body. And that's the most powerful thing that you can do for your long-term success. If this hit home for you, go ahead and comment below and let me know where you have been feeling stuck. I would love to make a follow-up video on it. And if you're ready for accountability and a plan that fits you, apply for my one-on-one coaching below. And remember, the journey isn't about perfect. It's about progress. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.